What's up YouTube? Series 1, Episode 3 of Phil Builds. A jack of all trades is a master of none, but always better than a master of one. We haven't got buggies today, we haven't got bikes, we haven't got quad bikes. We're doing some woodwork. Your boys are chippy, so we've got this here. It's a solid oak live edge slab. See the bark still on there. So I needed some new tables for my room. I was looking online, they're sort of between, a table like this is like between £600 to £1,200 each. Not paying that, sorry, not paying that. Went on Facebook, picked this up, it's quite big, I think it's taller than me, and I'm just under 6 foot, so it's like just over 6 foot. Couple inches thick, really nice quality. I got it off a tree surgeon. He takes them home from work, cuts them up, £80 for that. I got some nice 5mm by 50mm mild steel bar as well. So the plan is going to cut this into 2 tables, about halfway, plane it down, yeah, lacquer it, make some nice legs and paint them up. So let's do it. There we have it. Got a smaller table right here, and then the slightly bigger one here. Nice clean cut. So yeah, I quite like the bark edges, so I think I'm going to have the table this way with the bark edges coming down. It's just a really nice natural finish on the edge. So yeah, go ahead and get these planed down and varnished. First one planed down. As you can see, got this really nice grain that's come out now that all the cut marks are gone. Start to see all these natural lines through the wood. You see it compared to the one that I haven't planed down yet with all the cut marks on it, just sort of looks quite bland. Lovely and flat now. We've still got this beautiful this bark edge here, same on the other side. So I think we'll get that second one there planed down nice and smooth, get all the nasty cut marks out, and then yeah, give them a coat of varnish, nice clear varnish, sort of bring them colours out. But I'd quite like to still see all the grains in the wood, just for that natural look. And then we'll get the hot glue gun out and start making some legs. There we have it, both the slabs are now all sanded and planed down. You see again with this one, now the cuts are gone, you start seeing all these beautiful grain lines come through. We have got this old scabby bit here, but I think I'm going to leave that in. I could fill it and sand it out, but I think I'm going to leave it in, then varnish over the top of it. Just again, it gives it that nice natural look. So I guess now, get the metal out, the grinder, and then fire the hot glue gun up and start making some legs. So that's it, that's the legs all made. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and weld them up. So we'll be welding all around these seams, and then at the bottom where we made these slits to angle the metal up, I'll be running the bead along in them corners as well, just to give it some strength. And then yeah, grind it all down so it's nice and flat, get some holes drilled, and then get them painted. So first two legs all fabbed up. I think they're going to sit about there, nice and solid now. I'm going to get these top welds ground down, just so it's a nice flat look, but the bottom ones I think I'm just going to leave them. These ones down there, bead so creamy. Lurpak's going to ask me for the recipe. Nice. So yeah, nice strong mounts. Out like that. So yeah, going to get them all ground down, get this old paint off and this protective layer that comes on the new steel, and then I think we'll chuck them underneath one of the tables, just see what they look like, and then we'll crack on with the second set. I'm just doing a quick mock-up just to see what the finished product's roughly going to look like. Really chuffed with that. The legs I think really do go nice with the oak table. And the beauty of doing it by yourself is you can choose the length, you can choose the width, what style legs, where you want them, obviously for different applications. So yeah, really chuffed with that. Again, these tables are from between £600 and £1,200 each, and I think this has cost me about £70 for each table, about 140, 150 altogether. That's including all the metal, the varnish, and the oak slab, all of it really, and just a few hours of my time. So I think now I'm going to go ahead and get the other set of legs made, and then grind them down, get the holes drilled, and then get them painted, and then we'll get on to getting the tops varnished. So that's the legs all done, all painted up now. Really chuffed with them. Got a nice glossy finish on them. All the holes are deburred. So now I think I'm going to go ahead and get both of the tables, both the tabletops down, and get some varnish on them, and then yeah, we'll get them together and see how they look. Well, there we have it guys, tables are all done. Got the legs screwed on, all varnished. The colour will lighten up a bit after a few days once the varnish is really soaked in. I'm really chuffed with these. I think the legs give it that nice, like, contemporary look. You can see all the natural grains have really come out now that it's varnished. And we've got them mild steel legs under there, just with the 4 holes drilled in the top, and then they're just screwed straight up into the wood, nice and solid. Oak Furniture Land, watch out because I'm coming. There we have it, another build in the bag. Really chuffed with these, really nice set of tables. For anyone watching this, if you're thinking about doing it, just do it. It's not that difficult. I've done this after work in a few evenings, probably taken me about 10 hours start to finish. So yeah, really is that easy. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Episode 4, I'm doing a full beaver tail conversion on a transit tipper, something a bit different. So yeah, see you then.